Hey everyone. In this demo, I'm going to show you how you can use Icarus, Elliptic's on-chain AI chatbot, to interact with your proprietary databases through natural language. In this demonstration, we will take the example of Aurora PostgreSQL, and I'll show you how easy it is to maintain, manage, read, update, or analyze your databases using just a few prompts without having to go into the details of the syntactical sugar or run manual queries through it. So let's get right into it. Uh, I'm going to open up the chatbot. And as you can see, this is my interface for interacting with the chatbot. I'm going to start a new chat. And the first thing that I'll do is I will register my Aurora MCP server with the chatbot. So I'll name it something like Aurora. And I have to give it the contract ID. I have already deployed my applet, and I'm going to take the contract address. And this has registered my Aurora service as an MCP server. So what is an MCP server? It is just exposes a certain tools that our agent will use to interact with the proprietary service. So I'm going to show you how that does it. What I'm going to start doing is I'm going to give it a few prompts and see if it can answer my queries. Okay. So what I'm going to start with is, can you show me the schema of the Chinook database in my Aurora? So I have a database called Chinook. I just want to see what the tables look like. And it does give me the answer to it. So yeah, we can actually confirm this. So these are the tables in my Chinook database. As you have logged into the PSQL, and yeah, so let's just ask it a few more questions as well. Let me ask it, can you show the entries, let's say artist table. Let's say I tell them to use tools as well. So what are these tools? These tools are functions that the agent can call into to get data for us. Yeah, it does give us a few things. As you can see, it has listed all the artists for me. We can also confirm this if we go and say select star from artist. Yeah, these are the entries here as well, and that is what it has listed me right with the help of a single prompt. Yep, it has given me the exhaustive list. Let us actually ask it to do some slightly more complex queries. So let me say, can you tell me how many artists are there in the Chinook database? So I ideally wanted to run a count star, and let's see if it can get me the number of artists. It says there are 275 artists. So let me see if I can verify that. Select. Indeed, there are 275 rows. So yeah, this pretty much verifies our claim. Now let me show you some of the other features that comes along with the MCP capabilities. So I've opened up my block explorer, and if I go to pod, if I go to contracts, let me just show you first the tools that we have for Aurora. So these are the three tools that we expose for the Aurora MCP server, shown through the vital file of the applet. So these are basically the schema, the run query, and the execute. The schema helps us list all the tables and their data types. The run query executes a query on the database given by this query stir argument, which the LLM generates based on a prompt. And execute is similar, but it can potentially mutate the tables of the database. So yeah, these are the three tables. These are the three tools that we have for Aurora. And now if I go to the pod, and if I want to see what's happening on the platform, I have complete audit log of everything that is going on. So I can go back and check, get a detailed log of whatever transactions are occurring on my platform. So for example, this was a query that was executed by the LLM. So this is very good feature for a platform in which you give control to an LLM to actually go back and see what it has been doing. And this also comes with anonymized transactions is something we support, meaning we can hide relevant or critical data at the same time maintaining verifiability. So as you can see, we have the commitment. So yeah, these are some of the features that we have out of the box. And yeah, that was just the demonstration of how simple it is to like use an MCP server in our platform. Thanks.